What's up, YouTube? Richard here for thisisions.com. I've got the unboxing for the Canon EOS 60D right here. This is an 18 megapixel CMOS camera. I currently own the Rebel T2, which is my first, serious camera, which I'm selling to upgrade toward this guy. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Before we get going, take you guys through the box. Obviously, the way we see the camera on the front here and on the top, it's pretty nice. It's pretty well packaged, nice and clean. Pretty much what you expect these days from Canon. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Right off the bat, I can tell you that this has already been unboxed by me. I was a little overzealous, and I wanted to get going, and I kind of forgot to film it. So it's a little later on. It came with a warranty, as all these things do, and I filled it out, sent it to Canon, as well as an international warranty. I highly recommend always get your warranties in. They're super helpful. They saved my butt a couple times. So it's a nice box. Pop that thing open. So first what we have here is we have the manuals on software, which is kind of cool to have these in a PDF format. I always think these are helpful. I like, always nice to have extra drink coasters. You never really use these, but they're always there. Next beyond that, looks like we have some literature on the camera here. This is the Canon 60D English, and let's see, this is the manual en français. We take it here. It looks like we got the instruction manuals, the other instruction manuals. So lots of literature to go through here if you so desire. Let's see, this disc here, EOS Digital Solutions disc. I'm guessing this is for the accessory software, Canon utilities. So we get that shine off there. For digital photography, all this stuff. I'm guessing it comes in English, French, Espanol, and I want to say Russian. Let's see what else we got in here. This thing also came with this super helpful little pocket guide. You can just sort of take this pocket guide, put it in your bag, put it in your pocket, go with it, take it out. It's actually really helpful, I find, to have these little guys hanging around. So that's a 60D pocketbook here. I set this all up here. Also comes with this nice camera strap here. These Canon straps, these are always super nice to have. Let everyone know what you're hauling. 60D. I believe they come different for every camera. Obviously, you get a 70D or 70. You get a different thing there. So nice to have. Let's see. Here we have the Hdmi cable, which is nice to have. That's gonna go straight from your camera to your TV setup. Here's your AV digital. It's nice that Canon still includes these. These are a little old school, I guess, but it's nice to. I've got tons of these hanging around. Every time I get a new gadget, I have lots of these. So thank you for another one. And this is the big kahuna right here. This is the 60D right there. Take a look at these guys in the front. Yeah, so I've always liked Canon. The Rebel was really nice. I got this for the video aspect. It makes great videos. The fact that it takes really good pictures is just a bonus. Right in my hands, you can tell this is not like the Rebel. This is really well built. It's really sturdy. It feels like it can, you can hold it without dropping. It feels like it'll take a drop or two and you won't notice it. Not that I recommend that. Highly recommend against that. That's what the strap is for. So let's see here. I'm going to take it off the top here. This is a little attachment for a flash. Your digital setup here when you turn it on. There's your front cover. Obviously, all your basic stuff's here. Take it on the back here. It has a nice little setup for a screen. And what I always liked about this was that it could do a couple more things if I needed to. You can take a front-facing video and have that. And that was one of the good reasons I got that. Canon also has great lenses. Part of the reason I chose Canon over Nikon personally is because I've always liked both Canon and Sigma's lenses. It's part of the reason I chose that. We'll take it off this side here. You've got a little battery hookup under here. It doesn't come with batteries. Definitely use Canon's batteries. Don't use third-party batteries. Cannot recommend that enough. bad experiences there. Open up. This is a card reader. This is for, you can see it in here. This is for the SD card. Some of the higher end models do take a compact flash. I'm perfectly happy with SD cards, especially if you get the higher level, faster class 10 or whatnot. Something like a 64 gigabyte, 80 megabits a second. They'll say class 10 on them, and that'll really do you quite well. Get on this side here. We'll pop this open. Now you can see here you've got your, a little backwards, your microphone here. Oh, you've got your microphone there. You've got your HDMI out, which it came with HDMI, and you have your AV digital out, which it came with. It'll take take the digital end of that and put it into your, your Blu-ray, your DVD, whatever on your TV. So look at this little guy. This looks like it's a remote. I'm not familiar with this icon, so if anybody knows what that bad boy is for, shoot me a link down below in the comments. Down below, and let me know what that's for. Let me know if you use it. So that's about it. That's the main guy right here. That's the 60D. I'm looking forward to taking some pictures. I'm basically going to be off all weekend. I'm going to be filming some stuff with this guy, just to get you guys some nice shots. I'll get you some montage stuff going there. Spend the whole weekend shooting. I'll probably have something out Monday with this montage, and then I'll follow that up with a full review on thisisions.com. We definitely have a couple lenses that came with us. We got a bag from Canon. We're definitely going to put all those through the unboxing. We're going to put those through a review as well, and that'll all be on thisisions.com. In the meantime, enjoy, take some pictures, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.